All right. Let's put a little heat on it. Never cook two things the same. I had these cans and so on. I had some turkey gravy and these dumplings and white chicken. See that right there? Dumplings and white chicken. Some canned corn and green beans and tomato soup, cream of mushroom. I got canned chicken. Anyways, some black beans. All stuff I got, you know, in the course of the fire and whatnot. And so, what I got going here is some rotisserie chicken from Costco. The underside of it and half of a breast on top, and then some those roasted vegetables from Costco, the Brussels sprouts and mushrooms and bell peppers, all roasted with a little bit of salt and pepper. And then we got a little bit of Portuguese sausage right here, a couple strips of bacon. Over here we got a pile of minced garlic, because I don't mince my words or my garlic. That's right. And some dried white onion with some red onion. And drizzled that with a little bit of a apple cider vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, mustard combo. Put a little bit of that over that. And we just turn the heat on. So, and let's pour beer. First of all, let's get this gravy going inside the chicken. I figured turkey gravy and rotisserie chicken will go great together. Why not? Let's use that up. We gotta find some way to do it. And of course, we got these dumplings and chicken. Let's throw those dumplings in there. Gee whiz, never. Can't remember last time I ever had one of that, a can of that before. Interesting. Let's throw in some canned chicken. Booyah. Let's use that up. Let's put a little bit balsamic vinegar on all that. Oh, that stuff's good, isn't it? I tell you what, that won't hurt. Let's crack an egg in there. One summer, I worked in Germany one summer as a bartender in a Spanish restaurant called Restaurant El Ernie, still there in Kassel, Germany. This is how you pour a perfect beer, okay? You want to get the bubbles out of your beer. See that? You want that. In Germany, it's supposed to take 7 minutes for a perfect beer, you know? Like a Beck's commercial. That's what you want. You don't want that going on in your stomach. All right. So that's going to take a little time. That should take about 7 minutes. Let's see. 3:46. We'll watch that. Let's see if that finishes up about, 3:52. 3:53. All right, so we got our dish cooking here. All right. I'm thinking, let's put in a little bit of this, the kind, you know what I mean? Use up a little bit of this cream of mushroom. That ain't gonna hurt nothing, right? Bam. Well, let's use up this corn. Shazam Pow. Put that right in with the other veggies. Bingo, bango. Bongo. I sound like a presidential candidate. Let's put a little beer in there, you know. Shazam Pow. Let's keep working on this special beer over here. By golly, gee whiz heck. Sound gun. Okay. And then, good times. So what's going on here? Throwing some green beans, canned green beans. Gotta use these up. Let's use those up. Sure. Okay. All right. Using up all the food. Shazam, pow. Throw a little more garlic in there, you know, right on top there, sure. More of these dehydrated onions. Good times. We're crafting the perfect beer here, right here. See this perfect beer? Crafting. And we got some flavors going on in here. Gee whiz. I got some of these rice and beans and rice dehydrated. We're gonna just sprinkle some of that in there. Over right in this area. We're gonna want to tap into the other stuff before this stuff is probably ready. Got some beans and rice. Jizz. All right, we're having a good time. Gee whiz, heck, sound gun. My goodness. We are having a good time now. All right. Start on some of these. What do you say? Some artichoke hearts. Jizz. Why not? Artichoke hearts make everything better. All right. Do have a little bit of this here tomato soup. I need to use up these Amy's tomato soup. Let's put that right in there. Yeah, some tomatoes, because I don't have any tomatoes in there. Now I got some tomatoes. You know what I'm saying? Tomatoes. You say tomatoes, I say tomatoes. All right. Just a couple flavors going on in there, you know what I'm saying? Just a couple flavors. Oh. And that is a perfect beer. Patiently waited for 6 going on 7 minutes. See that? Perfect beer. What perfect beer looks like. You just patiently wait for it, and then it's way more drinkable. In case you didn't know. Alright. Good times. You know what I'm saying? Good times. Let's throw a little pesto in there. Why not? You know what I'm saying? A little pesto? Sure. Yeah, won't hurt the artichoke heart, that's for sure. Okay. Alright, good times. We're having fun now. You know what I'm saying? A little bit. Kind of need to use up this roasted red pepper hummus. Let's just chuck that in there too. Yeah, got a few flavors going on in there. Just a couple flavors, you know? Couple flavors. What am I gonna do with this? I have no idea. I reckon it'd be good in a burrito with some cheese. Man, at where is it? At Costco right now. At Costco, you can get the Marin French Cheese Company. Ooh, there it is. Now this is special. That's a breakfast cheese. That goes back. That is the oldest working dairy in the United States of America. Built in 1865 and has not stopped making cheese ever since then. And that is one of its first cheeses, and that was for the working man on his way to all the hard labor that built the West. So that particular cheese, breakfast cheese, at the Marin French Cheese Company out D Street in Petaluma, right off that there 101, headed north from San Francisco. Once you cross the Golden Gate Bridge, it's just about 45 minutes north. Best place on earth for a picnic, in case you didn't know it. Best place for a picnic. The Marin French Cheese Company. There are 3 or 4 videos on my channel from there. All right. Put in a few more of these. Some black beans. Let's put some black beans. These are all cans of stuff that I was given in that their process of, you know, losing everything I own. All right. Just use a bunch of cans. There it is. That's a pretty good time. Gee whiz. My goodness. I said, the heck you gonna do? I don't know. Heck you gonna do? My goodness. All inspired by a can of chicken and dumplings. I was like, what am I gonna do with that? And I was like, oh, I know what I'm gonna do with it. This. I never cooked 2 things the same. So this dish will never be recreated. But it is fun, you know. All right. Well, let's see here. Get one of those good utensils. All right. Gee whiz. All right, I got some mozzarella cheese with that Marin French Cheese Company cheese down the middle here. Get in here on some of this chicken. All right, good times. Well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna be having fun with this moving forward. All inspired by a desire to make a perfect beer commercial and a wild and crazy dish. Thanks for watching All Good Things and All Good Time. And if you got the option, please do no harm and do no crime. Aloha. Let's turn that heat off.